Welcome to Parts and Wholes, Chapter 4, NCERT Math Magic Class 5, Part 4. Ramu's Vegetable Field, page number 58. Ramu's vegetable field had 9 equal parts. What vegetables does he grow? This is a question given, ma. What is given for us? How many equal parts are there? 9 equal parts are there. Can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many parts are there? 9 parts are there. Now what is the question being asked? What vegetables does he grow? So you can see here what vegetables is he growing. What is this? Chilies, potatoes, brinjal, tomatoes and spinach, because again this is brinjal, tomato and potato. So what is the answer for this? Ramu grows chilies, potatoes, brinjals, tomatoes and spinach in his vegetable field. Now next, which vegetable grows in the biggest part of his field and what part? So they are asking you which is the most grown vegetable in his field. He grows tomatoes in the biggest part of this field, because if you see, chili is only one part, tomato 2 parts, brinjal 2 parts, spinach 1 part, tomato is how many parts? 3 parts. So which is more, which is the biggest part? Tomato. And out of 9 equal parts, totally we counted how many are there? 3, 6, 9. 9 equal parts, 3 of them contains tomato. That is, so how will write the fraction? How many parts are there? 3 by total number of parts. Total is how many parts? 9 parts. So 3 by 9 part of his field contains tomato. Next question. On what part of the field does he grow potatoes? So total 9. So out of 9 parts, how many potatoes are there? See, count 1 and 2. 2 parts of them contain potatoes. So how you will write it in the fraction? 2 by 9. What is 9? Total number of parts. Part of his field contains potato. Next question. What part of the field is used to grow spinach? Spinach. What part is used to, you see and tell me? Only one part. So total how many parts? 9 parts. So how will write? 1 by 9th part of his field contains spinach. Next, out of 9 equal parts, 2 parts contains brinjal. Now left out is brinjal. So 2 by 9th part of his field contains brinjal. So in this question they asked us spinach and brinjals. So spinach is 1 by 9th part and brinjals is 2 by 9th part. Okay children. Now next, Ramu wanted to give these vegetables to his friends. He gave Abu Bakr 1/5 of these tomatoes and 1/3 of the potatoes. Srija got 2/5 of the tomatoes and 3/6 of the potatoes. Nancy got rest of these vegetables. Circle Abu Bakr's share in blue. Circles Srija's share in yellow. So now what they are asking us, they have given the what Ramu did. Ramu is a person who is growing these vegetables. Yes or no? So what he did, he gave these to his friends. And how he gave? Abu Bakr, he gave 1/5 of tomatoes and 1 part of the potatoes. Like the Srija, 2/5 part of tomatoes and 3/6 of potatoes, and remaining to Nancy. And last, after finding out the answers, what should you do? You should circle Abu Bakr's. What is left out for Abu Bakr, that you circle in blue, and what is left out for Srija, that you have to circle in yellow color. Okay. Now first for that, what should we know? In our previous videos also, when we took the chocolate part, what we did? First we counted how many parts are there in the chocolate. Yes or no? Similarly, to find 1/3 of the potatoes or 2/5 of the tomatoes and all, what we should know? Totally how many are there. Yes or no? Now let's see first how many potatoes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So how many potatoes are there? 18 potatoes are there. Similarly, now we'll count tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we did our first work. First what we did? We calculated how many potatoes he grown and tomatoes he grown. Now we'll go to the next part. Now from the figure, total number of potatoes is equals to, total potatoes how many we got? 18. Total number of tomatoes is equal to, how many we got? 20. From the question, Ramu wanted to give these vegetables to his friends. Abu Bakr got 1/5 of this vegetable. So 1/5 means how of these tomatoes. Sorry. So how we will calculate? 1/5 into total number of tomatoes. Total number of tomatoes are 20. Yes or no? So 1/5 into 20. So 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So 1 into 4, 4. So how many tomatoes? Here I have given you a tabular form also where I will be putting all that. Okay. Now Ramu he growed 18 potatoes, 20 tomatoes. That is total 38. Now Abu Bakr how much he gave? 1/5 of tomatoes. So 1/5 into 20, that is 4. The same thing I am putting it here also. Okay. Now Abu Bakr got 1/3 of potatoes. Tomatoes be calculated. So now potatoes 1/3 into total number of potatoes are 18. So into 18. So that is equal to 3 ones are 3. 3, 6 are 18. So 1 into 6 is 6. Next, Srija got, so that I am putting it here, 1/3 into 18 equal to 6. Now Srija got 2/5 of the tomatoes, that is equal to 2/5 into number of tomatoes is 20. So no, number of tomatoes is 20. So 2/5 into 20 means how you will write that? 2/5 into 20. Yes or no? One method is how? 20 into 2, 40 divided by 5. So in 5 table when you will get 48. Otherwise 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. So 2 fours are 8. Similarly, Srija got 3/6 of potatoes, that is 3/6 into number of potatoes is 18. So 6 ones are 6, 6 threes are 18, 3 threes are 9. Same thing I am putting it here. Srija got 9 potatoes and 8 tomatoes. Abu Bakr got 6 potatoes and 4 tomatoes. I have calculated and put it here. Total he got 10 vegetables. Total Srija got 17 vegetables. Now we have to find for Nancy, because Nancy got what? Rest of the vegetables. Yes or no? Nancy got rest of the vegetables. So total number of vegetables including potatoes and tomatoes is equals to, so total first we have to know how many vegetables are there. That is 18 potatoes and 20 tomatoes. So 20 plus 18 is equal to 38. Here I put it. Now number of vegetables got by Abu Bakr and Srija is equals to, now total Abu Bakr and Srija how many they got? 6 plus 4, okay, plus 9 plus 8, that is 10 plus 17. How much it will be? 27. So Nancy got total how many are there? 38 minus after that how many are given? 27. 38 minus 27. 38 minus 27. So how much you will get? 8 minus 7, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. So totally how many they will get? 11 vegetables. Understood all of you till here? And next what they have asked? Circle Srija's share in yellow. What we have to circle? Srija's share in yellow. So Srija got how many? Now you calculate. Srija got 17. Yes or no? 9 and 8. So what you will do? Take an yellow color pencil, circle 9 potatoes in yellow and 8 tomatoes in yellow. Understood ma till here all of you? Now next slide. how many potatoes and tomatoes did Nancy get? Now they are asking once again, how many did Nancy get separately? So from the above solution, total number of tomatoes is 20 and total number of potatoes is 18. Yes or no? Is 18. Then number of tomatoes got by Abu Bakr and Srija is equal to 4 plus 8 is equal to 12, and number of potatoes got by Abu Bakr and Srija. Now we are calculating only potatoes, okay, is equal to 6 plus 9, that is 15. Means we are calculating this, okay. Abu Bakr got 6 potatoes and Srija got 9 potatoes. So totally how many potatoes is given? 15 potatoes. Yes or no? Like that, Abu Bakr got 4 tomatoes and Srija got 8 tomatoes. Yes or no? So totally how many it is given? 12. Understood? So by this we can find out here, because total number of potatoes is 18 minus how much is given, how many potatoes are given, 15 is given. So 18 minus 15, that is equal to 3. Similarly here 20 minus 4 plus 8. Why? 4 and 8, 4 plus 8, 12. So 20 minus 12 is equals to 8. Similarly, if they ask total number of vegetables, how we will do? 38 minus 10 plus 7, that is 27, that is equals to 11. Okay children, I hope you understood all these sums. Yes? We'll continue the next part in the next video. Till then, thank you.